This is a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, heated front seats, cruise control, a 7-speaker audio system, a leather interior, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 18-inch wheels, dusk sensing headlights, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 59,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Capital Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4900 Capitol Boulevard in Raleigh.